First in India male. First Governor of Bengal. Answer Lord Clive 1757 to 60. Last Governor of Bengal. Answer Warren Hastings 1772 to 74. First Governor General of Bengal. Answer Warren Hastings 1774 to 85. First Governor General of India. Answer Lord William Bentinck 1833 to 35. Last Governor General and first Viceroy of India. Answer Lord Canning 1856 to 62. First President of Indian National Congress. Answer W.C. Banerjee. First Indian Governor General of Independent India. Answer C. Rajagopalachari. First Indian to pass ICS. Answer Surendranath Banerjee. First Indian ICS officer. Answer Satyendranath Tagore. First Governor General of India after independence. Answer Lord Louis Mountbatten. First Indian cosmonaut to go into space. Answer Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma. First temporary President of the Constituent Assembly. Answer Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. First Commander-in-Chief of Free India. Answer General K. M. Cariappa. First Indian Nobel Laureate. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian Judge of the International Court of Justice. Answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. First Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award. Answer Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Field Marshal. Answer General Manek Shah. First President of Constituent Assembly. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Indian to swim across the Chief English Channel. Answer Mihir Sen. First Indian to get Gyanpith Award. Answer G. Shankar Kurup. First Muslim President of Indian Republic. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. First Indian to win Pak State Ocean Swimming Contest. Answer Vednath Nath. First Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer G.V. Mavolankar. First person to make printing press popular in India. Answer James Hickey. First Education Minister of India. Answer Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. First President of Indian Republic. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Prime Minister of India. Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Home Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Vice President of India. Answer Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. First Chief of Air Staff. Answer Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhirst. First Indian Air Chief of India. Answer. Air Marshal S. Mukherjee. First Chief of Army Staff. Answer. General M. Rajendra Singh. First Chief of Naval Staff of India. Answer. Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. First large-scale atomic reactor of India. Answer. Apsara 1956. First person to get Parambir Chakra. Answer. Major Somnath Sharma. First atomic submarine of India. Answer. INS Chakra. First Indian scientist to get Nobel Prize. Answer. C.V. Raman in physics. First Indian submarine. Answer. INS Kaveri. First scientist of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in Medical Science. Answer. Dr. Hargobind Khurana. First aircraft carrier Indian ship. Answer. INS Vikrant. First Chinese pilgrim to visit India. Answer. Fahian. First medium range missile. Answer. Agni. First e-business newspaper of India. Answer. Financial Express. First scientist of Indian origin to win Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. First Indian missile. Answer. Prithvi. First Indian to win a Stalin Award. Answer. Saifuddin Kichlu. India's first nuclear center. Answer. Tarapur. First Indian to win Magsaysay Award. Answer. Acharya Vinoba Bhave in 1958. India's first Open University. Answer. Andhra Pradesh Open University. India's first Lok Sabha member to be elected with a record maximum number of votes. Answer. P.V. Narasimha Rao. India's first minister to resign from Union Cabinet. Answer. Syama Prasad Mukherjee in 1950. First British to visit India. Answer. Hawkins. First Asian Games organized. Answer. Delhi in 1951. India's first election commissioner. Answer. Sukumar Sen. First Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Answer. Badruddin Tayabji. First Chief Justice of India. Answer. Justice Hiralal J. Kania. First person to submit the proposal of Indian independence in a Congress session. Answer. Hasrat Mohani. India's first university. Answer. Nalanda University. First Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen cylinder. Answer. Sherpa Dorji. First foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna. Answer. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First Indian recipient of Nobel Prize in Economics. Answer. Dr. Amartya Sen. First Army Institute of Information Technology founded. Answer. In Hyderabad. First test tube baby of India. Answer. Indira Baby Harsha. First Indian pilot. Answer J.R.D. Tata in 1929. First Indian to reach Antarctica. Answer Lieutenant Ram Charan, 1960. First post office opened in India. Answer Kolkata in 1727. First Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Indian Prime Minister to resign from office. Answer Morarji Desai. First Indian Prime Minister to lose an election. Answer Indira Gandhi. First President of India to die in office. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. It's so amazing. First man to climb Mount Everest twice. Answer Nawang Gombu. First Indian to reach the South Pole. Answer Paul I.K. Bajaj. First Indian recipient of Oscar Award. Answer Bhanu Athaiya. First American president to visit India. Answer Dwight David Eisenhower. First British Prime Minister to visit India. Answer Harold Macmillan. First Indian author to get Anderson Award. Answer Ruskin Bond. First Indian to win World Billiards Trophy. Answer Wilson Jones. First Indian space tourist. Answer Santosh George. Hello, if you find it a good video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you for watching the video.